In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add and enable a VPN here on Windows 11. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, what you're going to want to do is actually go down to the very bottom of your Windows taskbar and go ahead and select the Windows Start button, and from here open up your settings. Now on the left hand sidebar of your settings, you're going to see a bunch of different options. Go ahead and select network and internet, and from within here go ahead and select VPN. Up at the very top, you're going to see that you have an option to add a VPN. Go ahead and select that to create a new connection, and then what you're going to want to do is pause on this and open up any web browser of your choice. I'm going to use Google Chrome, but you could use whatever you'd like, and essentially just go ahead and search for VPN book. From here, open up the first tab, and that's going to be vpnbook.com, and this is going to be a site that provides free VPN servers. Essentially, go ahead and scroll down, and you're going to see a bunch of different servers that you can go ahead and add. So scroll back up, open up a free OpenVPN account, and from here you'll see a bunch of different available servers. Go ahead and find whatever one you would like to go ahead and use, and essentially just copy the server address and then back out of this section and then paste it into the server name or address option here. And from here you can give this a name. For example, I could just call it, VPN, and then leave all the other fields the exact same with their default settings and hit save down at the very bottom. From here you just have to back out of this section and then hit connect just like so. Enter whatever username and password shown on the VPN book page, hit OK, and then wait a moment and you should see that you are now successfully connected. But that is how you can set up and use a free VPN here on Windows 11. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.